360 divided by 2, a super fun math adventure. Hey Math Explorers! If you're having fun learning with us, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any awesome math adventures. Alright, let's start this math adventure. We're dividing 360 by 2. We look at the first digit of 360, which is 3. We're using just this one digit for now. How many times does 2 fit into 3? It fits 1 time. Let's check. 1 times 2 is 2. Now we subtract 2 from 3, which leaves us with 1. You're doing amazing. That was a fantastic first step. We have a remainder of 1. Now, let's bring down the next digit to make a new number. Ready for the next step. We have a remainder of 1, and we bring down the next digit, 6. Look at that, we've formed a new number, 16. We're using 2 digits now. How many times does 2 go into 16? Let's count by 2s. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. That's 8 times. Time to multiply. 8 times 2 equals 16. Subtract 16 from 16. What do you get? 0. Wow, you're a math superstar. We're almost there. We have no remainder this time. Let's bring down the last digit to finish up. Last step, here we go. We have a remainder of 0, and we bring down the last digit, 0. Our new number is 0. We're using just 1 digit again. How many times does 2 fit into 0? It fits 0 times. Let's check. 0 times 2 is 0. Subtract 0 from 0. We get 0 again. You did it, you solved the whole problem. High five. And that's it, we've reached the end of our division. You've got this. So, 360 divided by 2 equals 180. Great job, everyone. We broke down 360 by 2 step by step, learning how to divide, multiply, and subtract. Remember, long division is just a way to share numbers fairly, and you totally rocked it. That's all for this video. Keep practicing, stay curious, and check out more fun math videos on Let's Stud. See you next time.